Hello YouTubers, this is Jalabal Trade. Right now, I'm going to assemble this, the motor for the exhaust fan for the, on the bathroom. So I just ordered it online. I just get this for like, 12 bucks, and uh, need to assemble this. And right now, they are separated pieces by pieces, like this one here. uh, this is this is the motor. It was need to open up right there. You see that motor right here, that. Okay, this is the fan motor of the exhaust fan. So I'm going to assemble this, and this all the I believe the screw here. Okay, because the one that fixing in the other unit, it was the motor was burned out already, so now I need to put this one to replace it. So yes, you can buy them on Home Depot or what, but this one I need only the motor, because the whole assembly you're gonna replace the whole thing. And but the only thing I need is to replace the motor. And this is the the fan on here. See, this is the blades attached with it. And okay, and here, all right, this is the assembly right here. Okay, this is the power right here. Okay, right, there is where you're gonna put that rotor in the back inside here. Okay, that's the one. So you're gonna assemble that there. Okay, and last one is, see this one here, because the one that I want to replace in the other unit, it was here, it was burned out already. Again, now I need to replace that. Everything's okay. The the all the assembly and everything is good, and only the problem is the motor. It was, like I said, it's burned out. So right now, this is all the thing right here. Okay, you're gonna put this thing all the way down here. Okay, this is all pieces by pieces. You're gonna attach this thing to assemble them. Okay, assemble that. You put this one down here. Okay, the motor right there, and you put that right there, and you can put this one down here. Okay, you see this, those are the bearing right there. You see that bearing, so you just put that one right there, put it together, that one. Okay, just like that. See the same number that I ordered it. So, and then this is the screw right here. I'm sorry about that, you can see it on the video. Yeah, this is a video. A minute, this is the screw that you can put it in right there. You have two of them. And then this one is, you can just put this one. You see the what the cut off right here. You see that? I don't know if you see that in the video right here. See, right there. See, this is not round. Okay, it's the same thing as this one. This is not round either. So that's why you're gonna put it here on the top of that. When you assemble them, you just make it sure it's gonna be aligned right there. So yeah, that's what you need to do. Just put it in, pull the whole assembly. And I don't have the the piece of metal that you can attach in here. I need to get that and put it in the whole thing. And this is the the power that put it in. And I need to disassemble the other motor, so that I can put this thing, everything pieces by pieces. So yeah, that's what you need to do. Okay, this solder was running that motor right here. Okay, right there, that. Okay, so pretty much that's it. This is good. Bearing is good right there. Right there, that's good right there. So yeah, that's all about it. So when you put it in pieces, I need to get the whole plates just to put it in. I don't have it here. I'm going to show it to you later when I assemble everything. I put it in everything out. So yeah, right now I'm just gonna leave it this way. I just want to show it to you how to, how to put it in together, pieces by pieces. But later on I'm going to make a video again to assemble them. Okay, all right. Okay, right now this is the assembly right here. Okay, this is the one is was broken. There's burned out already here. There's a wire right here. It was burned. See if you can see that wire right there. That's what came out. Now I'm going to replace this and this one. I'm gonna put this here. This is the one I bought it. Okay, it's right here. All right, that's the one. That's what I'm going to put it in, and I'm just gonna remove this. There you go. And now I'm going to take it off. This here motor. Need to replace this one. Okay. I think you need to do take it off that right there. Okay. All right. Okay. This is the only thing that I need. This I don't know. See this burn right there? So that's why it's not working. See, this is the burnout right here. Now you cannot rewind this one anymore. Maybe if you have a rewinder, yes, you can do it, because normally this you can rewind them. You can have to rewind how many you need to put it in. This is you call it the like a magnetic wire or something they call that. So right now this is the one I'm going to put it in here. This is the new one. Okay, it's a new one. So this is I'm going to put right here. So yeah, this one right here. I'm just gonna assemble this thing out on that. Gonna put this one on the back here. So that, then all this part right here, I'm gonna put that there. Okay, that's all right there. Okay, now I need all the screws right here. Okay, this is the new one, so I need to put this one here. Okay, right there, and one more right here. All right. Okay, just gonna put that there, and then this is the cover. You can put it on the top of that. Okay. All right, just gonna put that there, and to screw that thing in there. Okay, have a screw that right there. There you go. Put that one in there. Something you need to do. Okay, you just put that there. Okay, let's put a screwdriver here. You need a Phillips screw there. Okay, don't tight it really tight yet. Just put it this way, and then you go to the other side again. Okay, then you can make it turn a little bit tight in here. There you go. Now it's tight. See, the one is working now. Okay, I'm just gonna test this thing. I'm just gonna put it on. Okay, all right. Now I'm going to plug it in this one in the outlet and to see if it is gonna work. Okay, right here. Gonna plug in down here. There. Okay. put it in. Okay, that is turning. You can hear that. Okay, see right there on the back. Okay, so everything is good. I'm just gonna put it back everything on the right position, and right here, so it's gonna make it tight a little bit more so it will not gonna lose the thing. All right, and then I'm gonna put this thing in here. There you go, that's the way it is. Put that there. Put a new screw right here. All right, okay. Okay, when you have a problem on your, like a ceiling fan or exhaust fan, you can always buy them online. You can just check them and check the, motors number, stuff like that. And then, yeah, and what is the size. So, because we went to buy a one of these thing at Home Depot, and they're not exactly the same. You need to tear off apart everything until on the, the whole assembly is on the wall, in the ceiling. You need to take it off that and put it there. So that's gonna be a lot of more work to do, because this one you just need to replace the motor, put it in. It's like this thing here there on the base, and then you're good to go. Not like the one you're gonna buy in Home Depot. You cannot even use the motor because it's different size and different blades. So now I'm just gonna use this one. This is the new one. This is the old one. See, kind of there it is. Put this new one right here. You see that in here, as you can see, there's a spline here. It's like a cut off spline. Same thing on this one. On that, they're not round. So you're gonna put that one in there. You're gonna slide that. Okay, you're gonna slide that on the spline. You can put that there. There you go. All right, that's good to go. Okay, now I'm going to testing again. I'm gonna show it to you again to test that. All right, see that over here. Okay, see that PD right there. I'll put it in down here. And I turn that one on. There you go. It's running now. Good. It's good to go. All right, I'm going to put this one on the unit. So, all right, thank you for watching again. This is Jack Apple Trade. Thank you very much. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.